Today we are unboxing a versatile new tool for creators, the Chroma T10 portable zoomable photography light. This is a 10-watt RGB LED projector designed to bring unique background patterns and precise lighting effects to your shoots. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Right on top, we have our standard user manual. And here is the main unit itself. Taking it out, the first thing I notice is the build quality. It's got a full metal construction and feels surprisingly heavy and durable in the hand. This definitely feels like a premium piece of kit built to last. Inside the rest of the box, we get a solid assortment of accessories. A USB cable, a nice velvet case to keep it protected while traveling, a collapsible snoot for controlling the beam, and a set of gobo cookies to project different shapes and patterns. Setting it up is pretty straightforward. I'm going to mount the collapsible snoot onto the front of the projector. Once that's secure, we can take one of these gobo cookies and slide it right into the designated slot. This is what's going to shape our light beam into a creative pattern. Now for a quick test right here on the table. When we turn it on, you can see how clearly the pattern projects. By adjusting the lens to zoom in and out, we can easily change the size and sharpness of the beam from a tight, intense spotlight to a wider ambient wash. For a portable 10-watt light, this gives you a ton of creative control. Stay tuned for our next video, where we take this into a full studio test. The Chroma T10 is available only at Metro Focus Camera Parts, Accessories and Repair Services located at 723 R. Hidalgo Street, Barangay 306, Quiapo, Manila.